things can't get any more surreal than this. I'm actually on the road right now driving to pick up a carousel. That's right, a merry-go-round for the Diablo Manor. Now, understand this isn't a great big merry-go-round, it's a little tiny merry-go-round, a little one for kids between the ages of 2 and 7, but I have a design for it that when I actually find it and get it home, I am going to paint it and add some things to it to make it a rather creepy, cool carousel. And I'm very excited about that. So follow me on this little journey as I go and pick up the carousel and then rebuild it from the ground up. This is going to be awesome.
Well, this is kind of exciting. Oh my. We're just getting ready to actually unload it onto the property. How nice. Yes.
Before you put it down, square that one up. Yeah, I can square this one up. There. Up this side there.
Well, the little carousel is finally in place. And so I think it's time to give it a little test drive. Don't you? Oh, yes. Let's take a look. We have a carousel on the property of the Diablo Manor. How wonderful is that? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Well, my friends, if you're interested, I am going to not only be documenting this on video, but as of, well, let's say this Thursday, if you want to come by anytime, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, etc., between around 11 and 4, I will be outside making this into something spectacular, and you can actually watch the process in person. Now, I'm at 10 South Street in Spencerville, and if you want to see a children's carousel turned into something that is a real work of art, come on down. You will be surprised at how things will change rather quickly. I am going to be spending quite a bit of time here making this little tiny carousel come to life. And so I do hope some of you come and visit me. I would love the company. And I don't mind you watching. I actually enjoy the fact that you're here with me. We can jaw for a while and wax poetic about life. I hope to see you all soon. And for those that can't make it out, I will be posting the progress over the next few weeks. All right. I'll see you soon. And for some of you, I'll see you sooner. Yeah.